Welcome friends to One Stop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am going to explain you how to create your first web project. Okay, so I am going to Eclipse and here just right click on it and create a project. Okay. And here you can write that web project. Okay, so dynamic web project. So select the dynamic web project and click on next. Okay, and then give a project name. I am giving YouTube web project. So here it means in Java you everything you have to write in like a camel case, right? Here you can see u, then t is capital, and then web w is capital and p is capital. Okay, so like this way means this is the naming convention, so you should follow the naming convention by using the camel case. Okay, so then click on finish. So it will create your YouTube web project. Okay, dynamic web project. And here you can see there is the two component. One is the Java resource, so this is the package structure. Okay, if you expand it you can see, so here is the Java resource, and under the Java resource there is src folder is there. Okay, and here web content is there, and here inside the web content web inf folder is there. Okay, so now go to your web inf or web content. Go to web content. Okay, and create, suppose I am creating a login page. Okay, so login, creating a JSP page. So here I am writing JSP file. Okay, create a JSP file and give that login.jsp. Okay, and click on finish. So this is your login.jsp page. Okay, so now here you have to implement the logic. Okay, so I am just simply I am writing here username and password, and I will try to submit it. Okay, so here what I will write here, suppose if you give some message or just leave blank, so here just create a form. Create form. Okay, then action should be there. Okay, action part I will describe later. And inside the form I am writing some username. Okay, and username input type is text. Okay, so I am creating a text box. So here I am writing input. Okay, then type, and type should be text. So text. Okay, so input type text, and then you have to give the name. Okay, so input type text, and then I am writing suppose password. Password input type text, and password here input type equal to password. So here I am giving that input, and here giving type equal to password. So you can use text also, but in case of password it will show whatever you will type there, so it will type the word there. So if you use the password, then it will come as either star or dot. Okay, so input type is password. Okay, and here you can use some ID and name as well, so that part I will explain later. Okay, so Okay, and after that I am writing one paragraph using paragraph. So inside that I am writing input 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 type equal to submit. Okay, so I try to submit type equal to submit type equal to submit. Okay, and you also for every here input type equal to it, and here you can type equal to text, and here also you can keep type equal to text, and then here name equal to suppose username. So here you can use like this way, username. And here also for password I am giving the name, means so how you will use this name and id field, that I will explain later. So here you can see first give pw and input type equal to submit and name equal to, here also sorry, value equal to submit. Here I am giving value equal to submit. Okay, so it's done. Now we have to run this page. Okay, so for run this page, so click on here and then click run as run on server. Okay, and once you click, so I already in my previous video I already show you how to configure the Tomcat in Eclipse, so it is configured here. So you have to click just next. Okay, then you have to, I have already two projects, so you can remove these two project. I am only keep this YouTube web project whatever I just created, so I am just clicking on finish. Okay, and click on finish. Okay, and it will take some time to start the servers. Okay, in console you can see here, you can see it's starting server. Okay, so once it's started it will show you the server is started and also show the port. Okay, so here you can see the server is started. Okay, so here you can see that it started and it's running on 8086 port. Okay, then this is the URL. Okay, http localhost, then 8086 is the port, and then your project name YouTube web project, and then the JSP page. Okay, so I have not create any servlet for this, so I will show you in the next session, means how once you create means submit. Here if you click on submit, suppose I am giving something, username is Neasis and password suppose I am giving 1234. Here you can see I have used this for text field. You can see that the whatever character you are typing in your keyboard, so you can see here in this box. But for password it's coming like an encoding format. Okay, encrypted format, so you can see that dot only. So and now if you submit, it will, you can see here means in the same page. It's so here because from action, in action page there is nothing mentioned. So if you means in action page you can mention some sublet or other JSPs as well. Okay, so if suppose I am giving it, this is my login page, so if I am giving here login sublet, login sublet. Okay, and if I save, then it will and give the username as username and password is suppose 1234. I'm giving the password, and if you click here, then you can see that the username it's coming here and password you can see here. Okay, so this is because this is basically a get method. Okay, so here if you means so I'll explain you later means what is the difference between get and post. So here if you mention that method equal to post, then in the URL you cannot see those values. Okay, so now if you run it once again, if you just simply refresh the page, okay, here you can see, and now if you give here, okay, giving some username and password, and now you can see it's giving you that login servlet because I haven't yet write this page. Okay, login servlet, so it's giving me 404 page not found. Okay, so status report, this is the 4 HTTP status 404, that means page not found. So I yet not write this page. Okay, so it is not present in my workspace, so that is why it's giving me error. But here you can see while the it's changing the URL. So if you suppose only write the post method, and if you delete this action part, if you removed only method equal to post, and you run it once again, here you can see its URL is not changing. Okay, so it's redirecting to the same page. Okay, because I remove the X action page from here. Okay, so whatever action page you provide here after submitting on the form, it will goes to that action page. Okay, so I have removed it, but I keep the method as post. So if you nothing mentioned here, so by default it is the get method, and in that case you will get here the means in the URL you will get the username and password. Okay, this field will pass by your URL through your URL. Okay, so if you remove this one method post, so now I written method post, so that's why it's not coming. So if you remove it, that means it is a get method. Okay, by default it's a get, and if you run this code once again, okay, you got the login page, and if you provide the username and password, and if you submit it, you can see here that un equal to snasis and pw equal to 1234, because un and pw here you can see I am providing the name is for the username I mentioned name equal to un, and for password is pw. Okay, so once you submit this, so in the URL bar you can see these are appearing. Okay, so username and password field is appearing here. So means for good practice, password it is a confidential thing. So any confidential thing, if you pass from one page to another page, then must you have to use post method, otherwise it will be disclosed in the URL bar. Okay, so this is not a good practice, so for that you have to use the post method. And in the next video I will write this action method one servlet page. Okay, and will show you how business logic you will write in the servlet page. Okay, so I guess it's clear that how to write your first web project and how to create a web page and run in your web server like Tomcat. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like my videos, you can share with your friends, and also you can subscribe my channel. Okay, and click on the bell icon so that once I upload the next video you will get the notification. Okay, and in the description box you can see the link of my channel. Okay, so you can go there and watch all the relevant video related to core Java, advanced Java, and this web project related topic you can find there. Thanks for watching this video.